Educational psychology. Hello everyone, today new video on my YouTube channel. All new user on my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, share my video and like my video. So let's start the topic. Educational psychology research. Edward Lee Thorndike is considered the founder of educational psychology in 1899. In 93 the wrote the first educational psychology textbook. What is the educational psychology? Scientific process in order to gather and analyze data from problem solving and knowledge advancement. Characteristics of education research. It set out to solve specific problem. Educational psychology research adopt primary and secondary research method in data collection process. Educational psychology research is objective and accurate. Educational psychology research findings are useful in the development of principles and theories and provide better insight processing issue. The research approach combines structure, semi-structure, unstructured questions together. Verifiable data. Types of educational psychology research. Descriptive education psychology research. In descriptive educational psychology research, the research make use of quantitative research method, include survey and questionnaire to gather required data. Typically, descriptive educational psychology research is the first step problem solving and specific problem. Example, few example: a reading program to help you understand student literacy level, a study of student classroom performance. Correlational educational psychology research EP mean. This is the This is the types of educational psychology research that seek insight into the statistical relationship between two research variables. Correlation research can be positive, negative, or non-existent. Example: research discover a relationship between student behavior and classroom. Experimental educational psychology. Experimental educational psychology research is the research approach that seeks to establish relationship between two variables in the research environment. It adopts qualitative research method. Experimental educational psychology research involves two groups, the control group and the experimental group. Educational psychology research. Method of educational psychology research. Survey questionnaire. A survey is a research method used to collect data using paper form, face-to-face conservation, telephone conservation, online form, interview. An interview is a qualitative data collect method that collect information, response by asking question, conservation, typically face-to-face conservation. Thanks for watching.